children, how are you? Hope you all are doing good at home and taking good care of your health and staying safe at home, right? So, kids, in our today's class, Kavita ma'am will tell you comparison of numbers. Okay, comparison means किन्हीं भी two or more than two numbers में compare करना, like which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, or we can find out the greatest bit among the given numbers. Okay, so which number is greater? Greater means big, and which number is smaller. Okay, so all these are the part of comparisons. Okay, so how we can find out the greater number or the smaller number in case of three digits, because we all know the how to find out the bigger number and the smaller number with two digits or one digit, that we have already done, right, in our previous classes. So now we will see the comparison between the numbers having three digits. Fine, kids? Okay, but before doing comparison, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the number having more digit, okay, the number having more digit will always be greater than the number having less digit, right? Like if I talk that कोई भी एक नंबर है जिसमें only one digit is there, so वो नंबर always टू डिजिट या थ्री डिजिट वाले नंबर से स्मॉल होगा. लेट अस सी इफ द नंबर इज 9, 15 and here it is 118. Okay, so if I have to say that this 9 is having one digit, okay, this 15 is having two digit, and this 118 is having three digit. Okay, so if I have to compare between 9 and 15, so if I have to compare between 9 and 15, so this 9 is having one digit and this 15 is having two digits. So you know what, the number having more digit will be always the greater number. So यहाँ ज़्यादा digits है ना, so ये number always big होगा. Or if I have to compare the number between 15 and 118, okay, so here which number is having more digit? 118. So this is the greater number. Greater means the bigger one, जो बड़ा है. Okay children, so now this you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and then now we will check how we can compare if both the numbers are having same number of digits. Like if I say 383 and 684, okay, 684, and here you have to check the which number is the bigger number. Okay, so always start comparing the numbers, the digits from left side. Okay, so this is our left hand, so we will start always comparing from the left side. Okay, or you can say from the first digit. Here it is 3 and here it is 6. So tell me which one is the bigger one? कौन सा number greater होगा? 6 is the greater, so this number will be the greater number. Okay, now let us take one more example. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so now let us try to compare. So if I compare, here it is 3, here again it is 3. So if the first digits, okay, if these places will be the same, then we have to jump, we have to check the next number. So this is what? 5. And here it is 6. So which one is greater? 5 or 6? 6, right? So this one is the greater number between these two numbers. Okay, children. Now let us try with one more example. Okay. Look here. So here it is 463 and here it is 467. Okay. So now let us compare. The first number over here is 4 and here it is again 4. Same number, so we will jump to the next digit. It is 6 over here, again 6. So now we will jump to the next number. It is 3 over here and it is 7. So now tell me which one is greater number? 3 or 7? 7 is greater number. So this one will be the bigger number. Okay? And in the same manner we can find out the smaller number also. Okay? Now look. Now in this we have to find out the smaller number. Okay, children? So start comparing from left side. Here it is 9. 9. So jump to the next number. 5. 5. Jump to the next number. 4 and 8. So which one is smaller? 4 or 8? 4 is smaller. So 954 will be the smaller number. Fine, children. So hope this thing is clear to you. Now what if we have to put the sign? Right? What if we have to put the sign? These signs we have already done in class 1 also. The crocodile signs, right? And we all know crocodile like to eat the bigger number, right? So if the number is fine, children. So which number crocodile would like to eat? Here it is 7 and here it is 2. So which is the greater number? This 7 is greater than 2, right? So crocodile would like to eat the bigger one. So its mouth will open like this and it will end on this number. ये इधर close होगा और mouth open होगा over this number. And what if the numbers are in this format? Okay. So now the first number here 6. Again 6. Now jump to the next one. 6. Again 6. Then jump to the next one. 9. 9. So both the numbers are same with all the places. So the crocodile will get confused. So he will go here to bite this number and will come here again to bite this number, right? Because the crocodile is very hungry. Okay? So, and this sign we call equals to. That means these both numbers are equal. Okay? And if the number is in this format. Okay? So now, on which side crocodile's mouth will open? Here it is 354. The first number is 3 and here the first number is 5, starting from left side. Okay, so the 5 is the bigger number, so crocodile's mouth will open like this. Okay, children. Now we all know the crocodile's mouth, right? But how to read that? How to read these numbers? So this is called, what does it mean? It means that 763 is greater than. बिकॉज जो बिग वाला माउथ जो ओपन है वो 763 के लिए है ना, सो दैट मीन्स दिस वन इज द ग्रेटर नंबर. सो ये साइन क्या डिनोट करता है, जिस भी नंबर की साइड वो ओपन होगा दैट विल बी द ग्रेटर नंबर. सो 763 इज ग्रेटर देन 259. Okay, 669 is equals to 669. These both numbers are equal, मतलब बराबर है. And then 354, और 354 पर क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ ओपन है या क्लोज है, क्लोज है ना. सो दैट मीन्स वो नंबर क्या हुआ, स्मॉल. स्मॉल नंबर को देखकर क्रोकोडाइल ने अपना माउथ क्लोज कर दिया, राइट. So 354 is smaller than, और किससे स्मॉल है, 555. Okay children, so these were the comparison.